I want to learn Google Ads, and after learning, I want to work on real accounts. Okay, so you're in the right place, my friend. We've got over 1,200 videos on our channel, and you will learn anything and everything about Google Ads all for free. So learn and then start um, working. But first, you've got to learn, understand the whole Google Ads ecosystem, and don't try to do everything. Become a specialist. Oh, I do SEO, I do content, I do social, I do Facebook, I do Insta, I do TikTok, I do Google. You will never find me say all these things. Even though we can run Facebook ads better than most other Facebook ads agency, never advertise. We always say, I always say that I'm only doing Google ads and YouTube, which is part of Google ads and nothing else.